Banana mango sorbet. Here's the ingredients. 2 cups of ripe bananas, preferably frozen, 1 cup of frozen mangoes, and 3 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener. You can use agave nectar, honey, or simple syrup. Add all your ingredients to a blender. Cover and blend until the mixture is smooth. Pour the mixture into a container. Cover and place in the freezer to sit overnight until set. Remove from the freezer and allow to sit for about 10 minutes for easy scooping. Enjoy, and thank you so much for watching. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more simple recipes.